Hello everyone, welcome to our AI Subtitle online translation tool. This powerful and simple tool can help you quickly and accurately translate video subtitles. Next, I will demonstrate how to use it for you. Let's first look at the basic steps of using it. The first step is to open the tool's web page. You will see a simple interface, mainly a form. The second step is to upload the subtitle file. Find the Choose Subtitle File option in the form. Click it and upload your SRT format subtitle file. After the file is uploaded, the page will automatically display a preview of the subtitle content. This allows you to confirm that you have selected the correct file. Third step, choose the target language. In the Select Translation Language drop-down menu, select the language you want to translate to. We support a variety of common languages, surely meeting your needs. Fourth step, start translating. After completing the above settings, simply click the Start Translation button. The system will immediately begin processing your file. You can see the translation progress on the page. Fifth step, download the translation results. After the translation is complete, a Download button will appear on the page. Clicking it will allow you to retrieve the translated subtitle file. It is recommended that you open the file and check the translated content. You will be satisfied with the quality of the translation. Besides basic features, we also offer some advanced options that can help you achieve more accurate translation results. First, let's add a video description. Click the Advanced Settings button on the page. Then find the Video Description input box in the expanded options. Fill in the basic information about your video here, such as the topic, background, etc. This information will help the AI better understand the context and provide a more relevant translation. Second, let's set translation requirements. Also in Advanced Settings, find the Translation Requirements input box. You can fill in specific translation style needs here, such as use a formal tone or keep professional terminology. You can also list some of the professional terms that appear in the video. Make sure they are translated correctly. It's that simple. Through these steps, you can quickly get high-quality subtitle translations. Our AI Subtitle online translation tool is not only easy to use, but also very effective. Whether you are a content creator, a language learner, or a user who needs to process foreign language videos, this tool can greatly improve your work efficiency. If you encounter any problems during use, or have any suggestions for improvement, feel free to contact us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.